पूछी बरतिया ए बरतिया से केकरा लागी के करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी.
Namaskaram, Bihar. What do the young women of Bihar think about these elections, about Bihar, about the world? We decided to come to the Patna Women's College, the historic Patna Women's College, and around me are all these beautiful young women of this college, and I wanted to ask them what they think of Bihar and what they think of these elections, what they think of life outside of Bihar in India. Tell me, before I get to serious topics, what is the most fun thing you guys do at the Patna Women's College, huh?
We hang out with friends and go to cafeteria, play basketball and all.
You guys don't do show music? Do you guys have a song, famous Bhojpuri song that all of you sing together regularly when you guys have a party?
No.
We don't sing Bhojpuri songs.
What songs do you sing?
Hindi, normal Hindi, Bollywood.
Okay, which is your favorite Hindi song? Why don't you all sing together for me first to start with?
अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम.
Nice. Thank you very much. For a round of applause for ourselves as you guys do that. So what is it that you think of these elections? Do you think politics, because the first impression that we all get when we talk of Bihar politics is that there are parties which are defined on caste lines, it's caste based. Does it matter amongst you all? Does it matter, caste?
Actually, I think in youth, caste should not matter. But old generation cares about the caste.
But you don't care about caste?
I think I do not, certainly from my point of view, but
what they will do for us. What they will do for
but when we talk about our families, because most of us live in a joint family or even in a nuclear family, we have a generational difference. Like our parents think more from a caste point of view rather than us. We think from a opportunity point of view maybe, or the more unity actually.
We think of unity and our family think, मतलब our old generations things like कि we want something caste difference and it's like
हमारे कास्ट का है तो they'll help me in grow कि वो हम लोग को कुछ.
So as first time voters, you don't think you will vote on caste lines at all? You wouldn't bother about?
No sir, we कास्ट धर्म पे लड़ते रहते हैं, but जबकि देखना चाहिए हम लोग को एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, गवर्नमेंट जॉब या फिर कोई भी, लेकिन सब तो कास्ट और ये सब पे ही लड़ते रहते हैं धर्म पर.
I think young generation should end this casteism.
So what is the one dream, let's say, that you have for Bihar and Patna? Because whenever I meet young people, they say there are no jobs. Education is a problem. You guys are studying in one of the best colleges in Patna. Is education really a problem in Bihar?
yes it's true.
Yes.
Education.
What is the problem about education?
Politicians doesn't care about education.
एक्चुअली स्टेट बोर्ड में भी जाके देखा जाए तो टीचर्स लोग को भी अच्छे से पढ़ाने नहीं आता है. रियल
Education
system not good in Bihar
Why?
because there are no any
teacher,
good
there are no
university.
educated teachers available in government schools. That we are getting good education in college and all, but what about government schools? Students are not getting, teachers are not available. Somebody is using phone in the classes and they don't care about students, that they have to teach student.
How does it make you feel? Like, you know, there are politicians in Tamil Nadu or in Karnataka or in several other states in Maharashtra who say, you know, Bihari and UP migrants keep coming there. Does it make you feel bad when you hear news like that?
Yes sir. Actually एजुकेशन और अवेयरनेस ही मेन चीज होता है. अगर हम लोग के पास एजुकेशन रहेगा, अवेयरनेस रहेगा, तो हम लोग अच्छा पॉलिटिशियन, मतलब अच्छा लीडर चुन पाएंगे.
You know, one of the problems is that in South India they say that we don't want Hindi. You know, you're imposing Hindi on us. What is it? I mean, you know, if you come there to South India, should you learn the language or should...
Issue with languages and the conflicts they are arising because people are not ready to learn or adapt a certain environment. Like for example, if I go and live in Bangalore, I try adapting that language. And if you come from Bangalore and you start living here,
there is this huge debate about 3-language policy. You know, for instance, Tamil Nadu has said only 2-language policy. Let the third language be optional. Should Hindi be an optional option? For instance, why should I be forced to learn Hindi? Should I be forced to learn Hindi? Should everyone in India be forced to learn Hindi?
No sir, not at all.
No sir.
But then how will you survive if you go across, let's say?
Yes, sir. We have option. We can speak English, sir.
We can learn some words to express our
If we can put in effort to learn English, which is already a foreign language, then why not we put that effort in learning Hindi? That should be a
and also each other language like थोड़ा सब सारा language आना चाहिए.
What is the Bhojpuri message to me? Tell me something in Bhojpuri that I should learn and go.
Sir, I live in Patna, so I don't know. मतलब भोजपुरी नहीं.
क्या बोले तोरो के थोड़ा बहुत भोजपुरी बोले के चाहिए
थोरो कितड़ा थोड़ा बहुत भोजपुरी बोले चाहिए.
नहीं तोहरों के थोड़ा भोजपुरी बोले के चाहिए.
तोहरों को थोड़ा भोजपुरी बोले के चाहिए. Correct? What did I say just now?
कि आपको भी थोड़ा सा भोजपुरी बोले चाहिए.
Acha, we should all speak all languages. That's a fascinating message. Huh? We should all speak all languages. Because one of the imageries for somebody like me who's from outside of Bihar, my understanding of Bihar comes from movies like Shul, Ganga Jal, and all those movies that's down their home country. Are the movies imagery the fact that this is rural Bihar, there's so much crime, there is so much this, that, is that true? Like this Gamcha. You think this Gamcha defines Bihar?
No, sir, it's a set stereotype.
Am I stereotyping Bihar by wearing this Gamcha?
No, sir. It's a symbol of Bihar. It's not as. I think we should wear it with pride. We ourselves should not feel ashamed of something. Like even if we speak Bhojpuri, even if we listen to Bhojpuri music, we should be very proud of that.
One of the interesting things that I found about Patna from your college is that even Chhat Puja amongst Gen Z, young youth, is still, the tradition is still seeped in. Whereas in many other cities, people have moved on. They don't really care about tradition. Even
Youths also care so much about our festivals. They are so excited for Chhat Puja. They say that we are so excited that when it will come again next year.
This is the core value that every Bihari, every individual, whether it's a young or middle-aged person, they inherit it from Bihar.
And this is what I love about this, about my state, that Chhat Puja, and we all get that same excitement since the childhood, since our childhood.
Chhat Puja is not just a festival, it's an emotion.
so all of you can sing a Chhat song, the devotional song. Go ahead. Why don't we have one Chhat song that goes on? Look at the happiness that's coming in.
हम तो से पूछी बरतिया ए बरतिया से केकड़ा लागी. हम तो से पूछी बरतिया ए बरतिया से केकड़ा लागी. के करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकड़ा लागी.
What do you guys think of it? Do you believe that if there is going to be great economic progress, suddenly, let's say, hundreds of multinational companies come in, will this culture remain? Because several cities...
Yes, it will.
It's reviving our culture. Actually, youth is reviving our culture. Because sir, we are the flag bearer of this culture, and unless and until we remember it from the core of ourselves, it will always remain.
So when you see other cities, let's say a Delhi or a Bombay or a Bangalore, is there something that you feel jealous about, saying that I wish Patna had this?
The IT sectors they have.
Do you guys know who the IT minister of Patna is? Bihar is?
No.
So you think that that's...
Earlier, I guess.
So you think that's really the one? You want IT sector, you want MNC jobs. But if those come, there is a fear that the culture will change.
No, it will not. Because they can't change people and their mindset. And we love our culture so much.
Still also the students who are studying out of Bihar, they used to come in this festival for only Chhat.
So you would say that your core wish is for more jobs so that you can stay in Patna and not have to seek jobs. How many of you think that inevitably after you finish your graduation, you have to move out of Patna?
Yes, sir, most of us, because there is this thing about opportunity and job. Like we love our state, we love our city, but there is also a future waiting for us, a career waiting for us, and who doesn't want a fabulous and a handsome salary job?
All right, you're saying that now, you know, this...
no IT sector.
But we really hope that companies come in and we have a greater sector.
You know, you're all making very important points, and I want, if you had a message to give to your politicians and to the rest of India, let's say to students on campus in Chennai or in Bangalore or in Bombay or Delhi, what would that one message be? What's the aspiration of Patna, and what is the message that you'd like to send across to the rest of India and to your own Bihar politicians?
Sir, I think the hustle of seeing Patna as a smart city and just seeking for a basic needs like education, electricity, better road, clean water, clean environment. I think these are the very minimal and basic requirements. I think Patna, and not just Patna, Bihar as a whole, I think we should stop asking for it and we should now stop fighting for it, because this is what something our basic rights are.
In your conversation, is there a subtext of caste that is so strong when you guys talk about it? Do you see it through that? Are you present to it? You say you want to break free from the past. How will you guys break free from the past? What is happening in your minds that's making you break free from the past? Are there a lot of intercaste marriages? Are there different things that's happening? Or is there a conversation about it amongst yourselves when you are in the cafeteria or whatever else? Do you guys talk about, oh, this caste, how do we break this caste? That kind of conversation happens?
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
We
We talk
how
about-
to stop this casteism, means how to stop this casteism to give votes. Like even if we go to people to like उन्हें समझाने के लिए भी जाते हैं, we get them to
We also discuss how to convince our family.
yes sir.
स्टार्ट होगा सर फैमिली से ही मतलब हम लोग को स्टार्ट करना है इस चीज को बेसिक से अगर स्टार्ट होगा तो फिर उसके बाद कुछ हो सकता है बट वी हैव टू
Everybody talks about change, that they want a surreal change in the environment, but when you start from your home, then you'll realize that it's not that easy to accomplish.
इंटरकास्ट मैरिज को यहाँ पे एज अ वेरी क्राइम जैसा देखा जाता है, क्राइम है.
सोसाइटी आपको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगी फिर उस केस में कि आप कास्ट में कैसे कर रहे हैं
शादी कर रहे हैं तो ये शादी नहीं
Family
कहलाती
will not
है.
accept you. The society will not accept you.
No, interesting, because what you're saying is the aspiration perhaps of most parts of India. You're saying it's more pronounced. I also realize the power of this gamcha. Right now it's sweaty and sultry and I like, it's so easy to do that. Yeah, you know, you can do that. You can cover your face when there is smoke. Huh?
सिंबलाइजेस मतलब ऐसे होता है कि जो हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग है इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई वी कैरी दिस टू वाइफ
In summer, this is the main thing.
Yeah.
Father carries us.
You also use a gamcha. Everybody uses
Yes, sir, we do.
Sometimes it's a relief.
Acha, you know, we started off with one Bollywood song in the 1990s. South Indian cinema is also very popular. Is there any South
He used
Indian?
to watch every. मतलब he
Who
used
is your
to
favorite South Indian film star?
like,
ऋषभ शेट्टी
Ram. Something. Some star. एक एक्टर का नाम राम है. I don't remember.
Ram Charan Teja.
Yeah.
Rajnikant. None of you know Rajnikant.
We know Rajnikant.
It's a Kamal Hassan.
Kamal Hassan, you know, Rajnikant, you know. Let me ask you guys this. You know, on Instagram, you know, there are kids who are talking of Justin Bieber, British music. You guys are also the same? I mean, do you have friends from outside of Patna on Instagram and other places? Do you feel the vibe is the same as they ask?
My
No, sir.
friends are outside. My friends are right now living outside of Bihar. So now they used to talk like मैं करती हूँ, and I used to say कि why are you talking like this?
Where हम people, हम बोल रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं, we are हम.
We talk like हम मतलब हम जा रहे हैं, हम करते हैं, बात करते हैं, कॉल कर, बट वहाँ जाने के बाद they just quickly change की to मैं कर रही हूँ, मैं कॉल करती हूँ, इस तरीके
You are saying बिहार के अंदर हम रहते हैं, बाहर गए तो मैं हो जाता. So is there one particular dialect that one of you can talk to me about? Answer my question in terms of what you want for Bihar in a very Bihari way.
No.
एक बिहारी 100 पे भारी.
Acha, this is a statement I've heard across the board. But do you know what I used to hear when I was a young, you know, when I was in college and all that, and I don't know if it's true still, is that ek Bihari 100 pe bari, do Bihari mara mari, teen Bihari sarkar hamari. Is that true?
Yeah. Yes.
But 3 Biharis will be together?
I think the leadership quality is, I think, in every bloodline of people who have belong to Bihar. Yeah, everybody.
So let's do this. Let's one final song, one final nice Bollywood or South Indian contemporary number that you guys think of, something you guys would love to listen to or sing in your parties or when you are having fun.
Love you zindagi.
Love me
Zindagi. Love me zindagi.
Wow, what a nice melody to end this conversation on. I guess the message should be love you Bihar as well. We hope that Bihar gets all the positives about it. But that's all we have time for from the Patna Women's College with these young women. You're proud to be Bihari. Be proud to be.
Criticism, sir, we love Bihar.
We love Bihar. That's the message from the Patna Women's College. Thanks for watching.